Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mango cheesecake using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients, including cream cheese, sugar, and ripe mangoes. Begin by preparing the crust. Crush about 1 1/2 cups of graham crackers until they are fine crumbs. Then, combine these crumbs with 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan, creating a solid base for your cheesecake. Next, let's prepare the luscious cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth and free of lumps. Gradually incorporate 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until just combined. Finally, gently beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring not to overmix. Pour this creamy mixture over your prepared graham cracker crust. Now it's time to bake your delicious cheesecake. Place the springform pan in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center has a slight jiggle. Once baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack. Then, refrigerate the cheesecake for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure it sets perfectly. To complete your mango cheesecake, prepare a simple, fresh mango topping. Puree 2 ripe mangoes until smooth, then gently spread this vibrant topping over your thoroughly chilled cheesecake. This adds a burst of fresh flavor and beautiful color. Slice and serve your homemade mango cheesecake to enjoy. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.